Sharon Stone looked gorgeous in a sparkly sequin dress as she posed with Prince Albert at the No Time to Die premiere in Monaco. Sharon Stone, 63, does not age, and the actress proved that when she attended the No Time to Die premiere in Monaco on September 29. Sharon donned a gorgeous silver sequin Dolce & Gabbana midi dress that hugged her toned frame perfectly. The bedazzled dress featured spaghetti straps and a plunging sweetheart neckline. She accessorized the dress with diamond hoop earrings, a white face mask, and a pair of crystal strap heels. Sharon spent the night with Prince Albert of Monaco, who opted to wear a white tuxedo jacket and black trousers. This was the second time the pair had been together in the past month, and they both attended the Monte-Carlo Planetary Health gala on September 23, where Sharon was honored. Sharon absolutely slayed in this sparkly dress, and her outfits have been on point lately. Sharon attended the 2021 Met Gala on September 13, celebrating in America, a lexicon of fashion. For the event, Sharon rocked a long-sleeve fitted black Tom Brown gown with sequin stripes all over it, paired with a matching, oversized cape, which she later took off to flaunt her gown. Related gallery. Kate Middleton glitters in gold, Billie Eilish in a bedazzled suit, and more stars at No Time to Die world premiere, photos. Another one of our favorite red carpet looks from Sharon recently, was her stunning Dolce & Gabbana Autumn/Winter 2020 couture gown at the Story of My Wife premiere during the Cannes Film Festival on July 14. The dress was bright blue and featured an off-the-shoulder neckline. The tulle dress was completely covered in bright, colorful 3D floral embellishments, while the skirt was extra puffy with a long train in the back.